guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make the world's easiest flapjacks. With just 3 ingredients you can make this simple snack in under 10 minutes. Let's get started. First you'll need 5 tablespoons of sugar. Then you'll need 90 grams of butter. Put them into the bowl. Beat them together with a wooden spoon. When the butter and sugar are all mixed in, add 120 grams of rolled oats. Pour the oats into the bowl and mix them into the butter. When it's all fully mixed, pour it into a baking tray. Flatten it out evenly in the tray. Now it needs to go in the oven. Bake it for 20 minutes at 190 degrees. Now I've got to wait. Oh, it's done.